Hello world, my name is John. Um, Today I have a trumpet with this on the end of it. It's like a little, I don't know, trombone mouthpiece. It's like the size of a trombone mouthpiece. I always wondered, what happens if I put like a trombone mouthpiece or whatever on a trumpet. Now this trumpet, the keys don't work and the mouthpiece doesn't come off. Well, right now I'm just going to give you a demonstration of how low this can go. No. It never wants to go low when I do it. I mean, it can go lower than that, but that's pretty much how low this can go. It was a funny idea for me to do this, but I don't know, I'm an instrument geek, so that's what I do.